Classmates sneeze in class. Oh, shoot. How I sneeze in class. Oh, shit. They be looking at them like, they be looking at me. Oh, well, damn, I want to say this to her. Hope you guys enjoyed this, the last skit. We turn bad things into good. We turn good things into great. It's your boy Jay, and I'll see you in the next video. Jay, that video was horrible. Nobody likes this video. Who said that? Oh, I'm still there. Memory spray. See you guys later. Have a great day. Dab on the haters.